Where are you from?
From Slovakia.
So, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Do you see any Muslim over there in Slovakia?
No, because I live small village.
Oh, you live in a small village,
Yeah.
and you don't have any Muslim friend.
No,
Can you tell me what do you think about Muslim?
I don't. I nothing because they live their life and I live my life. So I don't mind. They can do what they want. It's their choice, not mine. So I don't
Abs-
have.
Absolutely right, because we are human.
Yeah.
So I'm a Muslim, that's
Uh,
why I ask you this question.
if they don't hurt me, I don't care about them.
Do you follow any religion?
What?
Do you follow any religion?
What does it mean in religion? Sorry, my English not that good.
Religion, you are a Muslim, Hindu, Christian. Which religion?
Ah, I know right now. Yeah, but but not because I don't go to the kostol. Jak se powie kostol?
Okay. Do you?
Sorry, I forget a word.
Okay, okay. Do you believe on God?
Yeah, but no. I believe it's something somewhere,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm not going every Saturday, and I don't know these words, sorry, but nie modlím sa. Wait a minute. I need to know this word because I can't tell you letter without this word. I'm not go to pray or something like these things, but I believe is somewhere is something, but I think I don't care about these things. I'm not from family who go to pray and believe to God extreme, yeah, but
Exist.
they believe, but not that much. So this is my opinion for this.
Okay. So you ever think how world is created and who is created the world?
It's difficult questions. It's question for think. I think it's deep.
You know, this world
I
are not created alone. So,
Yeah, that's true. That's totally true. But I don't know because I never think about it because I think it's so a hard question who but we like humans we never know the truth because we never know it. Like
okay.
we can't know how starts life or these things is extreme complicated and I think we never get answer for this question.
But if you read the Quran, you can replay, you can answer, you can know
I
that.
I read it when I child. Uh, I my dad reading me uh, every day before I go to sleep.
And
So I read it, but I don't think I'm believe it this way, and I can say for this question or these questions is I don't care about it because I live another type of life that these people, and I can't tell something because I think I tell something what is false. Because when I don't think about these things, I don't live in this world. I think I need. I can only what to say for this is I can shut up only.
okay, it's your opinion and it's your life, but you think about, okay, when you are free, you can read the book, the Holy Quran.